Welcome to the Prognozy Capital podcast, where we bring you the latest insights on the Indian stocks market. Let's dive into today's snapshot. The Nifty index closed on a positive note at 19,133.25, marking an impressive increase of 144.1 points. It seems that there are long buildups in the market, with an open interest, OI, of 6,240 contracts. Looking at the Nifty options for the 9th of November 2023 expiry, we observe a buildup in the call OI at 19200, showing a significant increase of 78.76%. On the other hand, the put OI buildup at 18,000 is also noteworthy, with a substantial rise of 217.70%. Interestingly, we see that new call writers have shifted their positions from 19,200 to 21,000, indicating a bullish setup. Meanwhile, the new put writers have maintained their positions at 18,000, suggesting a strong support level. Now, let's shift our focus to the Bank Nifty. It closed positively at 43,017.2, experiencing a notable gain of 316.25 points. Similar to the Nifty, there are long buildups in the Bank Nifty market, with an OI of 1,396.8 contracts. Examining the Bank Nifty options for the 8th of November 2023 expiry, we observe a buildup in the call option OI at 43,200. Showing a significant increase of 262.50%. Additionally, the put option OI buildup at 43,000 is also noteworthy, with a substantial rise of 181.87%. In terms of new writers, we see a shift in the call writers' positions from 45,000 to 43,200, indicating a downward movement. Conversely, the put writers have shifted their positions from 41,000 to 43,000, suggesting an upward trend. This shift in positions implies a range contraction in the Bank Nifty. Fiidata analysis. Cash segments today. The foreign institutional investors, FII, sold a whopping 1,261.19 CR in the cash market. On the other hand, the domestic institutional investors, DII, bought 1,380.15 CR in the same segment. Moving on to the F&O segments, the FII made some interesting moves. They sold 900.71 CR in index futures and a staggering 19,641.08 CR in index options. However, they also bought 1,352.24 CR in stocks futures and 159.88 CR in stocks options. Overall, they ended up with a net sold position of 19,029.67 CR in the F&O market. Now, let's dive into the derivatives segments. In the index futures, the FII added 6,060 long contracts and 19,589 short contracts. As a result, they are now net short in the index with minus 175,698 contracts, compared to the previous minus 162,169 contracts. Shifting our focus to the stocks futures, the FII made some interesting moves. They added 16,515 long contracts and closed 7,532 short contracts. This resulted in them being net short in stocks with minus 160,436 contracts, compared to the previous minus 184,483 contracts. FII data analysis. Specifically in derivatives segments, we focus on index options. In upside direction, the FII has closed 225,257 call long positions and 114,204 put shorts positions, totaling minus 339,461 contracts. In the downside direction, they closed 245,450 put long positions and 87,921 call shorts positions, totaling minus 333,371 contracts. In FII index option analysis, the net put long position is 500,195 contracts, decreased from 631,441 contracts, and the net call long position is 195,577 contracts, decreased from 332,913 contracts. This suggests that the option buildups on the short side outweigh those on the long side, indicating limited upside potential. Exciting times in FII data analysis.